What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Today we are making a sweet potato pie cheesecake. Yes, we are combining two amazing desserts and it's perfect for the holidays. Let's bake. Alright you guys, so I have some graham crackers here. I'm going to crush them up in my blender. This is just to create that nice golden crust that we want. Okay, so now that I have my graham crackers nice and crushed, I'm going to add in some melted butter. So you want to add enough until the texture is like wet sand. You don't want it to be too dry or too wet. Okay, so now that we have our graham crackers to the texture that we want, we are going to firmly press it into our prepared springform pan. I am using a 9-inch pan here. Then we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Alright you guys, so this part is actually optional. However, if you're like me, when you're eating your sweet potato pie, you love the crust on it, okay? So I want chunks of pie crust in my cheesecake. So all I'm doing is just baking it off. I'm just following the instructions on the back of the box, and then you'll see me docking it with a fork, just poking holes in it just to allow the steam to escape so it does not bubble up on you. Alright, so right here we're going to work on our sweet potatoes. So I have two medium-sized sweet potatoes. And once again, I'm going to poke these with holes just to allow the steam to escape. And we're going to bake those on 400 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. Alright you guys, so while our sweet potatoes are baking away, we are going to work on our cheesecake filling or mixture, whatever you want to call it. So I have some cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, eggs, and some flour, and we're going to blend everything together until it's nice, smooth, and combined. Alright you guys, so now that our sweet potatoes are baked, we're going to mash them until they're nice and smooth, and then we're going to add in some brown sugar, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, allspice, and a little ground cinnamon. Alright y'all, so I'm going to pour a little of my cheesecake mixture right into my pan, and then I'm going to scoop some of the sweet potato filling right on top of that, and then you're going to add in your pie crust chunks if you're using those, and you're going to repeat that process. So you'll see I totally forgot to add my pie crust in right here, so what I did was caught it right before I was about to bake it, and I just swirled it in with my knife. Alright y'all, so I almost forgot this step. So you want to wrap your springform pan with aluminum foil, place it into a baking dish. Then you're going to add you about 2 to 3 cups of water into your pan. And this is just to prevent your cheesecake from cracking, y'all. We don't want it to be ugly. We want it to be nice and smooth on top. So here I am, all late and almost forgot. adding my pie crust in. I'm just pushing it down with my knife, you guys. So once we're done, we're going to bake our cheesecake at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Alright you guys, our sweet potato cheesecake is complete. It is so delicious. You guys have to try it. I garnished mine with fresh whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar on top. The only thing I was missing was a drizzle of caramel, but it was totally fine. You guys, still tasted amazing. As you can see, those beautiful layers of sweet potato filling and the pie crust chunks in there, you guys. Oh my god, it is so good. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to bake with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Make sure you share this video, share it with your mama, daddy, brother, sister, cousins, aunts, your uncles, god sister, god cousin, stepmama, and your stepdaddy. Even though you don't like them like that, tell them anyway to subscribe to Cooking with Queen, you guys. Make sure you follow me on all social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.